Guardian Eye, an AI-based surveillance system for manufacturing industries, ensures security, safety, and quality control through remote monitoring and real-time detection of threats, defects, and inefficiencies. It enables compliance with regulations, offers scalability, and supports predictive maintenance, enhancing overall operational efficiency and safety. Implementing Guardian Eye, an AI-based surveillance system, in manufacturing industries can offer several benefits. Enhanced security. Guardian Eye employs AI algorithms to detect and thwart security breaches, unauthorized access, and potential threats within manufacturing facilities. Improved safety. By continuously monitoring activities, it identifies unsafe behaviors, potential hazards, and equipment malfunctions, allowing for timely intervention to prevent accidents and maintain a safer work environment. Quality control. Utilizing visual inspection capabilities, Guardian Eye ensures product quality by detecting defects, irregularities, or deviations from standards in real time, enabling immediate corrective actions to minimize waste and maintain quality. Optimized operations. Through data analysis, Guardian Eye offers insights into inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and areas for improvement within manufacturing processes, facilitating productivity enhancement, cost reduction, and operational streamlining. Remote monitoring and management. Managers can remotely oversee manufacturing operations in real time from anywhere, enabling proactive decision-making, rapid response to incidents, and efficient resource management without physical presence on site. Compliance and regulation. Guardian Eye ensures compliance with industry regulations, safety standards, and operational guidelines by providing documentation and audit trails, minimizing the risk of penalties or legal issues. Scalability and adaptability. The system is scalable and adaptable to various manufacturing environments, accommodating different requirements and allowing for future growth or changes in operations. Data analytics and predictive maintenance. Through surveillance data analysis, Guardian Eye identifies patterns, trends, and potential issues, enabling predictive maintenance by detecting equipment failures or maintenance needs early, optimizing maintenance schedules, and minimizing downtime. Guardian Eye presents a comprehensive solution for enhancing security, safety, and efficiency in manufacturing industries. By leveraging AI-based surveillance technology, it enables real-time monitoring, detection of threats and defects, and optimization of operations. With its focus on remote accessibility, compliance, scalability, and predictive maintenance, Guardian Eye offers a robust framework for ensuring smooth and secure manufacturing processes while driving continuous improvement. Guardian Eye enables proactive measures to optimize resource usage, reduce environmental impact, ensure supply chain transparency, and promote a culture of sustainability. With its advanced capabilities, Guardian Eye empowers businesses to achieve their sustainability goals while enhancing operational efficiency and resilience.